Hi, I'm Brenna Shepard with Rojas Roofing, and today we're going to be talking about top shingle brands specifically in Indiana. If you are looking online, you'll see a lot of Owen's Corning, which is the Pink Panther brand, and GAF. These are some of the top sellers that you'll find in Indiana. But there's also other manufacturers as well, such as CertainTeed, Atlas, IKO, and Malarkey. There are some other shingle brands, but they're not super common here in Indiana. Some of the differences between these types of shingles, obviously there's the manufacturing process itself. And with those ones, you'll have to do some dig-in research to decide whether the raw materials that are being used and the manufacturing process that's being used is producing a high quality product or a lower quality product. You can also talk to your roofing specialist or your roofing contractor. They will have likely experienced all those different types of brands and will have a preference for which one that they would recommend. Rojas Roofing, for example, prefers Atlas because they have some very extensive warranties, including a lifetime warranty on the black streaks caused by an airborne algae. Most other shingle brands have a 10-year or less on that one. That's part of the reason that we've chosen to offer Atlas. Caveat is that most roofing contractors prefer one type, but they can usually install any of those brands if you have a specific one that you want. And speaking of specific ones that you want, some of the reasons that you may choose to go with one shingle over the other: color. Some of the manufacturers have much better shingle color options and selections than others. As a matter of fact, Owens Corning is known for their shingle color of the year. They have some really interesting, beautiful colors, including a purple roof. So, you know, if you want a purple roof, I would go with Owens Corning because I don't think anybody else offers that one. All the shingles are gonna have 3 different types of warranties. They're gonna have the actual manufacturer's warranty, which will either include the materials and the labor or just sometimes the materials, so you do have to look out for that one. They will also have a wind warranty that's technically separate, and those are usually anywhere between 110 miles per hour to 150, depending on the exact type of shingle that you end up with. So if you've got a lower tier shingle like a 3-tab, that will be more like 110, or even as low as 60 in some cases. Or if you have a higher quality shingle, you know, SBS shingle with 6 nails versus 4 nails, it might even go all the way up to 150 miles per hour. So if you're confused as to which shingle brand you should go with, I would actually talk to your contractor first, and then you can also go look and check out some YouTube channels. There are some great ones I recommend, such as Roofing Insights, that actually analyzes each of the different shingles and puts them to the test. If you have any questions about which kind of shingle is right for your house, give us a call and we'll talk you through the whole process.